So I just got some new tennis shoes in the mail from Amazon. And as you can see, I got the color gray. They're just a very lightweight tennis shoe, but cute. They don't have tieable laces, but there is still kind of the elastic, so it stays on your foot. They're a slip-on tennis shoe, so just for comfort and ease, just to be able to slip them on and slip them off. They came nicely packaged, they're not damaged, and they kind of have this paper on the inside, so they help keep the shape of the shoe. Just looking at the inside, they have a comfort insole, so when you are wearing them, it'll be very comfortable when you slip your foot in there, just to kind of have that extra padding on the bottom of your heel, especially where your feet tend to get a little sore when you're on your feet all day. So that's kind of nice about these tennis shoes. The material is very lightweight, very breathable for if it is a hot day and you're going to wear these. It'll kind of have a nice airflow so your feet don't get too hot and sweaty and then not cooped up in a shoe. They're very lightweight, and as you can see, the bottom is white with kind of a riveted bottom for grip. They're just a very cute tennis shoe. You can probably dress them up or dress them down. I would recommend they're more of a casual shoe, and they're just very cute, very classy. I'm very pleased with how they came, and I hope this was helpful.